Hello, today we are going to talk about Recur Club Business Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Recur Club Business Loan. Having minimum turnover of 1 crore. Co-applicant age should be between 21 year to 65 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 650. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 10 lakh to 10 crore. Tenure will be 12 month. Rate of interest will be 16% to 20% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 3 days for sanction and 3 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4% of the loan amount. Processing fees will be 2% of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory. Co-applicant is mandatory when applicant is other than individual or proprietorship firm. Business vintage should be 1 years. Processing mode will be online. Ownership proof is not required. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Recur Club Business Loan: funding to startup even if they are in loss, funding to tech-based company, funding to service provider and traders. Location will be Pen India. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are manufacturer. There is no specific product for professionals. Required documents. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year bank statement of applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant, if company, or list of partners if applicant is partnership firm LLP.